In this presentation, we will discuss about hypergeometric function. This function plays important role in mathematics, physics as well as chemistry. Before getting to that topic, we need to know Pochhammer symbol. First, I would like to discuss the Pochhammer symbol is denoted and defined by alpha n is equal to alpha into alpha plus 1 into alpha plus 2 dot alpha plus n minus 1 with alpha 0 is equal to 1. This is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. Discussion. By definition, we have alpha n is equal to multiplying and dividing above equation with this equation turn out to be alpha n is equal to 1, 2, 3 dot alpha minus 1 into alpha plus 1 alpha plus 2 dot alpha plus n minus 1 over 1, 2, 3 dot alpha minus 1. This term written as alpha plus n minus 1 factorial over alpha minus 1 factorial. So alpha n is equal to alpha plus n minus 1 factorial over alpha minus 1 factorial. Thus alpha n is equal to alpha plus n minus 1 factorial over alpha minus 1 factorial is equal to gamma alpha plus n over gamma alpha. Since gamma n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. In the same spirit, we can write alpha n plus 1 is equal to alpha plus 1 into alpha plus 2 dot alpha plus n minus 1 alpha plus n plus 1 minus 1 is equal to alpha plus 1 alpha plus 1 plus 1 dot alpha plus 1 plus n minus 1. By definition, this will be equal to alpha plus 1 n. Thus alpha n plus 1 is equal to alpha into alpha plus 1, and this is our equation number 3. This equation is very important equation. Next, multiplying both sides of equation 1 by alpha plus n, then equation 1 going to be alpha plus n alpha n equal to alpha plus 1 alpha plus 2 dot 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 alpha plus n minus 1 into alpha plus n. Now we can recast this term as alpha plus n alpha n is equal to alpha plus 1 alpha plus 1 plus 1 dot 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 alpha plus n minus alpha plus 1 plus n minus 1. Since alpha plus n is equal to alpha plus 1 plus n minus 1, this plus 1, this minus 1 get cancelled, then we get alpha plus n is equal to, by definition, this term would be equal to alpha plus 1 n is equal to alpha plus n alpha n is equal to alpha into alpha plus 1 n is equal to alpha n plus 1. Applying equation number 3. Thus, alpha plus n alpha n is equal to alpha n plus 1. This is our equation number 4. This equation play important role in hypergeometry. Next, we will see hypergeometric function. By definition, hypergeometrical function is denoted by f2 1 alpha comma beta comma gamma x, or simply f alpha beta gamma x is defined by f alpha beta gamma x is equal to summation alpha k beta k over gamma k into x to the power k over k factorial, where k runs from 0 to infinity, is equal to alpha 0 beta 0 over gamma 0 into x to the power 0 over 0 factorial plus alpha 1 beta 1 over gamma 1 into x to the power 1 over 1 factorial plus alpha 2 beta 2 over 2 factorial x to the power 2 2 factorial plus dot 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 is equal to 1 plus alpha 1 is equal to alpha, beta 1 is equal to beta over gamma x plus alpha into alpha plus 1 beta into beta plus 1 over gamma 2 gamma into gamma plus 1 into x square by 2 factorial plus dot dot dot. Here we have used alpha naught is equal to 1, alpha 1 is equal to alpha, alpha 2 is equal to alpha into alpha plus 1 by definition. Thus, if alpha, beta, gamma, x is equal to 1 plus alpha, beta over gamma x by 1 factorial plus alpha, beta, alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 over gamma plus 1 x square over 2 factorial and dot dot dot. This is our equation number 5. If we put alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to gamma in equation 5, then equation 5 turn out to be if 1 beta x is equal to 1 plus x square plus x to the power q plus dot 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 and so on, which is geometric series. See you in next presentation.